going on, YouTube? It's your boy D Cam on Cam. Coming at y'all with an early morning video. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. I got a surprise for y'all today. It ain't about Breeze. Nah, it ain't about Breeze. But I gotta make my way to the country today. You know, a lot of people that's from Texas know about Maybank, Texas. I gotta go down there and check out some, see if I can find some treasure out there in Maybank. I don't want to say too much just yet on exactly what it is. But I will say it's something that is gonna add to the channel. You know what I'm saying? It's something that everybody like, all around the board. Big wheels, small wheels, whatever you like, basically. That's all I'm gonna say. So, I'm waiting on the phone call to meet up with the guy that's towing my car. Good dude, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put his information in the description if I can, or at the bottom of the video. He also gonna be in the video. I'm gonna put a couple pictures of his number, his tow truck. I mean, not his tow truck, but his trailer that he tow cars on. I'm gonna just put it in there. You know what I'm saying? So don't worry about none of that. You know what I'm saying? You can hit him up if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Local towing and stuff like that. I'm waiting on him to call me back and let me know when he's on his way, and then I'm gonna meet up with him and go from there. All right.
I'm gonna show you real music.
Out here, y'all. Finally made it. Let's see. Y'all ready? No, I don't think y'all ready. OBS project. You know what I'm saying? Everything up here. Been sitting for a while. Glass window right there, but put another one up in there. Everything pretty much here. Dash still look damn good. Just need to be cleaned up. Got a GT steering wheel. All the gauges and shit. And not too much. Like a complete truck to me. Surface rust. We got tail light. One tail light. Other one missing, I think. Hell yeah. Checking this boy out now. The body damn good.
Pretty straight.
Yeah. Ain't too much wrong. Ain't nothing wrong with it. How long you been sitting up?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah,
3 or 4 years.
2011. Yeah, I like this one.
Body's good and straight.
Yeah, it is. It's damn good. Yeah, 2011 on the dash. Or on the glass. Yeah, we got our 4 tires right up now. It ain't all the way on the ground. Just put some juice on it. Start the fluid. Start it right up. Yeah, man. Negotiate on a good price for it. So the owner knowing it's going into a good home. Like I said, this is my first truck. Hey man, appreciate that run.
Bet.
Let me step back from a little bit. Look at that. Clean. Only thing that we seen was wrong with it. Oh, and they do got bubble the tail lights too. This is a little dent right here. He said this, whatever happened right here, is what knocked that back window out. But like I said, this one already in here. So we got a whole new piece. We good on that part. You know what I'm saying? So we'll have to change these tires out. No, everything good. It's holding. I mean, be sitting for 3 or 4 years, I wouldn't even expect it to hold this long.
I think it's been sitting since 2011.
Look,
Yeah.
just like you said, 2011. This is over 11 years old. Man, this is crazy. Like you said, man, he said he had a diamond sitting over here.
Boy, had a diamond, bro. He had a diamond, bro. He didn't want
And
to
then he didn't want to do nothing with it.
Yeah, he said, man, I don't want it.
Look, even these didn't even come on the 91. These sports mirrors.
Yeah, they came with the metal ones.
Yeah, they came with the one with the 3 prongs. The hood that stood off of it. Like, man, yeah, this is just the beginning.
Yeah.
Goodness. He let me go in his personal garage where he fixes cars. What year is this Chevelle? A 72? What year is this Chevelle? 72?
70.
70?
Yeah,
This
I got
is-
the motor for it the other day.
Yeah. So he know what he got pretty much. This whole 3/4 ton. Hey, look. Long bed. Nice. You painted it too?
Yeah.
It is nice. Thank you, sir.
Made a copy of it.
And I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Next day. Got it in the driveway, y'all. We got it up in here. You know. Me, Johnny, and his son wound up pushing it as much as we could from the driveway. I got a little incline, so it was a little tough, so we wound up having to use this truck to push it on up in here. We got it in. Only thing that came out of that is this wheel got a slow leak in it. And I think it might just be because of the debris that's up in there. I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna change the tire. It don't matter. So change that one, them two in the back. The only thing, like I said yesterday, the only thing I actually see wrong is this little dent right here. I wound up covering that up. It's supposed to be raining today. Ain't nobody gonna come out and change no window today on no Sunday. I mean, that's pretty much it though. We got an OBS project. Let me step back for y'all real quick. Man, I don't know what it is. It's my third white vehicle in a row. I might go back with white again. Maybe. Might not. I don't know. I mean, y'all let me know what y'all think. Like I said, this is a complete truck. Very complete. Very complete. Ain't missing nothing. Not a thing. I'm so grateful for that, boy. I ain't gotta go looking and digging and calling and, man, I ain't gotta ask nobody for no parts. Gotta barter with people about it. I got everything I need right here. Yeah. That's a clean body. You know what I'm saying? Everything pretty much. It's A1 on there. Yeah, man. I'm happy. Now I just gotta get it to stay running. But like I said, it's been sitting for 11 years. 11 years. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm gonna clean this diamond up. Because this is a diamond. I'm gonna clean it up and get it right. Yeah, man, stay tuned. I got a couple things coming for this truck. But next week, I'm gonna start working on getting it running right. I'm gonna go buy a battery. I said this next week, like this as far. But this coming up week, I'm gonna buy a battery for it. I'm gonna change all the fluids out, change the oil. I'm gonna try to drop the gas tank and get all that old gas out of there. Fuel filter, fuel pump, spark plug wires. I think that's pretty much it as far as the motor goes. I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, y'all stick around for it. All right, I'm out.